Welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. Let's look at this question. A trader bought X bags of rice at a cost of C, which is having an expression of 24x plus 103, and sold them at a price of S, which is the selling price, as an expression of 33x minus x squared over 20. So we are to find the expression for the profit. Then we are to, if the x is now 20, a figure, we are to calculate the percentage profit. Alright, now looking at the information given, we have cost price, we have selling price, and we have what? A profit. So we can begin with the statement profit, which we know is going to be the selling price minus what? Cost price. So if the selling price minus cost price is profit, then final expression for profit will be the value or the expression for selling price minus the expression for what? Cost price. So if I use P for profit, then P equals to the selling price in this case will be 33x minus x squared over 20 as in selling price. Then minus the cost price, 24x. I put that in a bracket because that is an expression for cost price. The minus is there. It's a two separate terms. So this term minus this term. So now if you open this bracket, the sign out there will now change. So this become so now the minus will be there. You can see there is no equal sign as in having another value. The equal sign here have a variable with no what? Value. The value here is the same as what we are finding. So in this case, since we are having a fraction, we cannot multiply through by the LCM to calculate the fraction. This becomes an algebraic fraction. So we solve them still remaining as a fraction. So we are going to group like terms, as in this and this will come together to give us so when we compute 33x minus 24x, we are only left with what? 9x minus x squared. So in this case, we need to put all this to become a fraction, one single fraction, because this half 1, this half 1. So in this case, our LCM will be 121 will be 20. 1 into 20 will still be 20, times this will be 180x. Then this become x squared. Then this will be 2 times that will be 206, then 10. So this is what we are going to get. So the expression, the Roman number 1, as we are asked, we are finding an expression for the profit. The expression for the profit is just 180x minus x squared minus 2060 divided by 20. So this will go for the Roman number 1. Then Roman number 2, if 20 bags, they say bought x bags, meaning the x is now what? 20. So when x equals to 20, what will be the profit? We are looking for profit percent. We need a profit to find the profit percent. So in this case, my profit is going to be 180 times the x minus x squared, which is 20 squared minus 2060, all divided by what? 20. Good. So in this case, if you multiply, I believe 2 times 180 will give us, let me still maintain P. We have 3600. Then we have 400 minus 2060 all divided by our 20. So we know when we add this to this, we give us 2460. When we subtract this from this, we'll be having 1140 over 20. And when this cancels this 0, you go there 5, so we have what? 57. So in this case, 57 is going to be the profit. But we are not after profit. We are after what? Profit percent. And profit percent is a profit over cost price. So it means in this case, we also need our cost price, which was an expression. So our cost price, which is C, is going to be 24x, which is still our 20 plus what? 103. I believe this will give us 480. So we have 480 plus 103. And our cost price is just going to be 583. Therefore, our profit percent, which is profit over cost price, in this case, let me add P. Already we are using C, so we can still maintain the C from the question. Then by substitution, we are going to have 57 over 583. Sorry, I think we are left out with one term times 100%. C is the profit percent. So profit cost price times what? 100%. So this becomes 57 583 times 100%. And if you do that on a calculator, you'll be having 9.7770. So if you want to run this to only 2 decimal places, 9.78%. So in all, the profit percent that the trader will make will be 9.78 or approximately 10%. Good. I think this question is more or less marrying algebraic expression with what? Application of percentage, that is profit and loss. And I believe you have a good taste of this. If you like the video, give a thumbs up by liking it. If you know somebody who also needs tuitions like this or who is a mathematics lover, then share with the person and leave your comment so that we continue to interact together. This still remains Taxonomy Online Mathematics. We will take the next question as we go.